If you are thinking about studying in UK, you need to make sure that you are taking up the right course, especially when your goal is to get a post-study work visa after your degree. You have to be very cautious. To qualify for PSW, first of all, your course should be more than 12 months. If your course is shorter than that, it is not going to help you in the long term. Now let's get real. A lot of international students suffer just because they have not researched enough before entering the UK job market. So instead of following general advices or taking up courses just like that, make sure that you talk to a counselor or an expert who can actually guide you through the journey. After all, it's your future at stake. So in this video, I am going to tell you 8 courses that will not land you a PR eventually. The first one being sales and marketing. Yes, you heard that right. Although you might find a lot of job opportunities during your post-study work visa period, but getting a visa sponsorship is an altogether different game. Courses like MSc Digital Marketing or MSc Business with Marketing or any of the similar ones will not give you the edge that you need. It's a competitive field, and unfortunately getting a visa sponsorship is going to be really difficult for you. Now, I'm not saying that it is impossible. Some students have even made it, but they do have a well thought strategy and strong networking skills with them. However, majority people struggle. So this is my advice to you, that think twice before taking this course if you want to stay in UK after your degree. The second one being fashion and interior design. If fashion is your passion, be ready to deal with the challenges that come with it. It is a highly competitive market and the pay also isn't really great. Courses like MA Luxury Brand Management or MSc International Fashion Retailing might seem appealing, but the job opportunities are few and visa sponsorships are even fewer. Third one being agriculture science. Horticulture and viticulture might seem like they are niche areas and you might have a good career in it. But trust me, they are not the best choices if you want to stay in UK. Most students with these degrees struggle to find relevant jobs and eventually have to work either in warehouses or in retail. And visa sponsorships, forget about it, because there are hardly any in this sector. The fourth one being sports management. Now, sports is a very tricky one. Any courses related to sports like MSc Sports Management or International Sports Management might look very attractive, but the market for these courses is quite limited. While you might get a few opportunities, but getting a visa sponsorship is going to be very difficult. Fifth, history. If you're passionate about history and want to become a teacher eventually, keep in mind that getting a visa sponsorship in this field is extremely difficult. Only STEM subjects are in demand for sponsorships. If you're considering courses like MA History of Art or MA World History and Cultures, because the chance of getting visa sponsorship is extremely slim. If you want to become a teacher in UK, you can rather study STEM subjects here only in India or in whichever country you are and eventually apply for jobs from your own country. There are a very good chances of you being selected and getting a visa sponsorship, because there are a lot of subjects which are in the UK shortages list. 6. Supply chain. Supply chain management might seem like a hot and trending field, but like sales and marketing, even this field would hardly get you visa sponsorships. So courses like MSc Supply Chain Management or MSc Logistic Management might not be the best bet if you are thinking for long term. Since the local people are performing really well in this field, so international students find it really hard to break in. Creative and drama arts. Believe me, this one is really difficult if you are considering UK to stay in. The creative fields here are very competitive with limited job opportunities. Courses like Masters in Contemporary Arts or Bachelors of Arts might seem really attractive or might be even your passion, but the harsh reality is that getting sponsorship would be a problem later on. Last but not the least, hospitality and tourism. While there are plenty of jobs in hospitality during your PSW, the only real chance of getting a scholarship comes after you become a chef or if you are a chef. If you are in other roles like tourism or event management, unfortunately, you might not be able to make your way to visa sponsorship. So avoid courses like MSc Tourism and Event Management or MSc Global Hospitality Management. Now, this advice is based upon research and real world trends in the UK job market. Most of the courses that I have mentioned in this video are not mentioned in the UK's shortage occupation list, and that is why getting a visa sponsorship is so difficult. But you should do your homework to make sure that you talk to your seniors or maybe text people on LinkedIn who are in the similar fields in which you are planning to go, or of course, talk to an expert or a counselor who could actually guide you through the way. If you need help, we at Abroademy are here to help you, and we provide the entire consultation free of cost. So, from free consultations to you actually reaching the country you want to, we take care of the entire journey. If you like this video, make sure that you like, comment and subscribe, and if you have any questions, please share in the comment section below. We'll definitely make a video about it.